I got the YAGUD weight bench for $62.99. I bought it on Amazon. This bench supports up to 800 pounds. Let's take it out of the box. Slides right out of the box, all folded up. Take it out of the bag. So we got 2 foam pads that fell off. In the bag we have instructions and a bag of tools, bolts and nuts and pins. Let's take the styrofoam off. A foot on the side. It's in a bag. It's zip tied to this. Let's take the styrofoam off. Let's cut the zip tie. Here's one foot. Here's the other foot. Let's open this up. This end folds up. Okay, there's a look at the bench. First we're going to take part F, the pin, and put it through this hole. The second pin F goes over here. Just slides through. The long stem foot C, put it in this side. Secure it with bolt D. Slide the bolt through. Then add nut H to the other side and tighten that up with the tools that they provided. So the Allen wrench on the nut, the Allen wrench on the bolt. Wrench on the nut, and just tighten that up. Should go nice and easy. I'm going to take foot B and put it on the other side. Put the bolt through. Add the nut. Take our Allen wrench and our wrench. Tighten this up. The bolt is now secured to foot B. Next, we'll just slide on the pads. These are nice and soft. Take the other pads out of the bag. Slide those on. Slide the last pad on. And we're all set up. Just flip this over. And here's the bench. Can adjust it using the bar. Let's pull the bar down. Move that all the way up. So there's the bench all together. Bars at the top. Pretty comfortable. Move the bar down. We have a couple different heights. You can move it slightly back, even farther back, even farther back, almost all the way flat. There, the bench is flat. And then you have decline. There's the bench all together. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.